Our eminent speaker, Mr. Praveen Sharma, is a BIM and virtual construction technology specialist with 20 plus years experience of implementing BIM on 600 plus complex projects. Currently, he heads the global operations of the BIM engineers, including their offices in Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, Malaysia, UAE, India, UK, Netherlands, Germany, South Africa, and USA. Has written various books, research papers, articles, and has spoken at various international events across the globe. He is an active member of national and international BIM forums and a regular speaker at conferences and seminars. And a very warm welcome to you, sir, for your presentation.
Hello everyone. Welcome to this interesting session in this Rail Technology Expo 2021 and a very warm evening. In this session, I requested the organizers to give me a little more time, but due to tight schedule, they allowed only 15 minutes. But I'll try to fit into those given time frame, and I have lots of things to cover. So let's start the ball rolling. My session will be covering mainly the building information modeling part. I am sure most of you have heard about this buzzword in our design and construction industry. It's getting very popular, but still, if you see on my slide, many people understand the BIM word differently. It looks different to the design consultant, different to the contractors, facility managers, owners, operators, manufacturers, project managers. So, but one good thing about BIM is it is useful for all of them. They can reap different benefits, but it will bring benefit for sure from the initial tender stage to the design coordination, clash detection, quantity verification, bill settlement, manufacturing, supplying, procurement, till the edge built and facility management stage. Very briefly, I'll cover the benefit of BIM. One, better design, better coordination, improved site supervision, clash detection coordination, value engineering. Quantities are very precise, detailed quantity extraction, including the fittings and elbows and accessories. Everything comes into the Excel sheet very perfectly. And it's not 99% accurate, it is 100% accurate. It looks like a little awkward, but that is the reality in BIM. It's garbage in, garbage out. What you see is what you get with big technology. Another benefit is cost control, quantity verification, facility management, edge build, laser scanning, and you can use BIM for virtual realities and edge build update and digital twins. How better outcome? BIM is a collaborative platform where all the stakeholders are working together and they are talking to each other and working the same platform where data is stored on internet and everyone using the same data. Cost reduction, because quantities are accurate and you can save lots of time and cost in terms of clash detection coordination, renderings, walkthroughs, visualizations, project faster time frame because you have resolved most of the design related challenges and the construction related coordination issues or clashes beforehand. So once you go on site, it's like the same construction which you have finished in computer, replicating the same construction process on site. So you definitely, if you have done it successfully in the computer construction phase or virtual construction phase, your site will go smooth. Safety reduced is risk is reduced and the safety measures are enhanced. As built and facility management wastage can be reduced. What is the extent of BIM? Most of you might have heard about 3D, 4D, and 5D. 3D is the basic BIM. You have X, Y, and Z direction. 4D, where when you add the timeline, the 3D getting constructed based on the time frame, weekly, monthly, fortnightly, yearly, how we do the construction or how the building activities will progress. That is called fourth dimension. Fifth dimension, when we add the quantity or the cost element to the 4D. So you will see the building getting constructed, associated quantities and the cost also. Goes up to sixth dimension where we can do lots of green building analysis, shallow studies, heating, cooling, load analysis, solar analysis, lots of simulations, wind tunnel analysis. Going up to seventh dimension where you can use the same BIM model which started with 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D, can go up to facility management, edge build, life cycle, management for future expansion, extension, and renovation of the building for future. Next level of BIM where we are implementing is goes up to eighth dimension, where you have all the natural calamity simulation, earthquake, fire, flood, or you can simulate them using BIM platform. So you can avoid those natural calamities in virtual environment, and it comes very handy when it comes to the larger building or taller building constructions or design. Ninth dimension, where you use the lean construction methods to make your building more efficient, more intelligent, save time, cost, and efficiency is increased. You see lots of problem faced by the design consultant and the owners. First is the schedule targets. Projects generally get delayed, lots of rework happening on construction sites, and lots of maintenance, facility management is reactive. When we see the problem, then only we will react. When BIM technology is proactive, you can predict and avoid the problems from happening rather than reacting once it starts happening. Benefit of BIM comes into various formats. Documentation and drafting error, grammatical spelling errors can be reduced almost 61%. Rework, mean design change, can be reduced significantly. Construction cost, yes, BIM has case studies which proves that BIM can bring benefit to the rail and infrastructure metro projects, almost bring a saving of 22 to 25%. And project time duration can be reduced by almost 18 to 20%. Claims litigations are reduced. There are case study if you see on my screen, globally proven benefits of BIM with case studies in Australia. They say 9% of return of investment on the BIM. US based Holder Construction did some studies and they say BIM has saved 3 to 5 times of the direct BIM cost. If you are spending €1 or $1 on the BIM implementation, it will bring the saving of 3 to 5%. 3 to 5 times means $3 to $5 will be saved by using BIM technology. And on US government, it says 300% rate of investment. What major benefit comes out of BIM on metro and rail project is coordination and efficiency. Design commitment of projects is improved. 3D renderings changes the way you work in the construction sites. Value engineering by saving the reduced labor cost, installation time, safety concerns are addressed. Constructability issues saves time in getting the answer of request for information between different design consultants. Project management, BIM gives you that platform where you can track and monitor the progress of the project very efficiently in terms of construction activities, coordination, classes, quantities, bill verification. So you have a virtual dashboard where you can literally manage multiple projects going simultaneously using BIM platform. Change management, any change happens, BIM can give you side benefit or side effects of those changes. If you do any design change from stone to let's say tile, you will see the benefit in terms of quantities, cost and coordination and the weight, everything instantly. So in nutshell, BIM and my organization, the BIM engineers are revolutionizing the rail, metro, high speed and infrastructure industry. It is bringing lots of benefit from 2D AutoCAD to 3D BIM environment where you have the efficient heating, ventilation, air conditioning system. It can reduce the over design problem in our industry by 30%. Energy efficient building by better orientation, better use of material, intelligent plumbing system by using BIM coordination, quantities and cost using BIM are very advanced, whether it's mechanical, electrical, civil, structural, architectural, interior, all quantities coming out of BIM and they are talking to each other. That means BIM is a collaborative platform where your architecture, civil structure, facade fabrication, rolling stock and rail systems and ELV systems, IT system, electrical, they are all talking to each other in a BIM collaborative environment. You see some examples of firefighting system design, better space planning and space utilization because metros are generally in the congested spaces. You have to manage your space, the available space very efficiently and BIM helps in the perfect planning, orientation, spacing and routing of mechanical equipment, plumbing pipes, air conditioning systems, ventilation systems and other facilities. Facility management it's not about construction, also the operation and maintenance of the rail and metro project gets very easy using BIM environment. Prefab, because as I said earlier, BIM and rail projects are generally in the congested space within the city boundaries. So you have less space to do the construction on site. So prefab is the way to go. Most 80% of the metro viaducts are now being prefabricated. BIM is the technology which gives you that tool and that efficient measure to plan the pre-construction or prefabrication, not only in terms of civil or structural, but also for mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and firefighting systems. BIM can bring lots of value engineering like improved system efficiency, reduced cost, better cost optimization, coordination between mechanical, electrical, plumbing, civil, structural, architectural services, shaft optimization, save return of investment, and avoid discrepancies within different systems. If you have heard about laser scanning, that is also getting very popular now. Even your iPhone 12, they have the laser scanning capability. You have the accurate edge built information available, which was a big challenge in our industry now. Some quality control processes, we manage the BIM quality by visual check, software-based interference checks, standard compliance with the local government guidelines, and the model integrity stack in compare of international BIM standards. Our team is efficiently managing lots of projects. I'll show you some of the case study towards the end, but this is typical workflow. Now I'll give you some real life experience and examples of how we are implementing BIM. This is a snapshot of our capabilities. The BIM engineers, we are one of the leading organizations in the world when it comes to implementing building information modeling on metro, rail, high-speed rail, PRT, LRT projects. We have done projects in more than 70 countries. We have more than 350 architects and engineers working on global BIM projects. That's our global footprints. I am sitting in our India head office in New Delhi. Then we have a head office building in Netherlands, then USA, UK, Middle East, Germany, South Africa, South America, Australia, Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, New Zealand, and Panama are our branch offices. This is our European head office building where we do the European projects. This is the building where I am currently sitting. It's our India head office building. Our company, the BIM Engineers, in a very short span of time has been recognized by various international forums and organizations. We have been awarded many awards in terms of emerging BIM companies for airport and metro projects and infrastructure. These are some of the accolades which we have received in last few years for implementing BIM. You see, we have been presenting BIM and its benefits on various international seminars, exhibitions, organizations. Now I'll share some of the case studies where BIM has been implemented successfully and has brought the benefit in terms of accuracy, quantities, time, and cost saving. One such project where the BIM engineers have implemented BIM is Mumbai Metro Line Phase 3. Then the National Capital Regional Transport Corporation in New Delhi, between Delhi to Meerut. That's a high-speed rail. Singapore MRT, Tai Seng facility, where we have implemented BIM on the depot project. Guldar Metro Station is another part of NCRTC line. Pune Metro, Malaysia KVMRT is a 35 stations, 52.2 kilometer long metro line where we have implemented architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire, facade, clash detection, coordination, renderings, walkthroughs, virtual realities, and shop drawings. Snapshot, Chennai Metro project, West Kowloon. This is world's largest underground metro station with 7 levels, 4 below ground, 3 above ground, with total 15 platforms on those 9 levels. Connecting the mainland China to the island Hong Kong. Very challenging and complex projects. Eurostar in Rotterdam, we have done lots of high-speed rail in Europe. This is one of them. Deutsche Bahn, German rail, we are currently implementing BIM for many of their lines and existing as well as new plant construction. In UK, we are doing high-speed rail, HS2, from London to Temple. Delhi Metro, Phase 3 and Phase 4, the BIM engineers is responsible for implementing BIM stations and corridors. The value addition our team brings in terms of metro and rail project is direct access and maintenance clearance. The standardizations of BIM elements helps in saving time and accuracy. We can do coordinated drawings. The drawings coming out of BIM are flawless. You will not find clash, coordination issues, drafting mistake, grammatical mistakes, spelling mistakes in the drawings coming out of BIM environment, because BIM is garbage in, garbage out technology, or it is based on revise instantly platform. Patna Metro, we have implemented BIM recently, very prestigious Upper BIM Metro. Very recent, in 2021, our team has started this India's first high-speed rail, that is Mumbai Ahmedabad high-speed rail. So we are implementing BIM from start to finish on this MAHSR project.
Through BIM, the construction sector is undergoing a digital revolution, and we are in the front line of that revolution. BIM is a new way of working, where we approach construction with another mindset. To understand this, we need to see that with BIM, everything is connected. BIM brings together all of the information about every element of a building in one place. BIM makes it possible to access that information for any purpose in the building's life cycle. But it is even more. BIM is information modeling, information management, and process management in a team environment with the same standards for everyone involved. The central point is no longer a 3D model, but a database with access for everyone. The team can exist by members of different companies to work together on one project. BIM creates value from the combined efforts of people, process, and technology. It is a cost-effective method of setting up a new project and being flexible and open for both the client, engineers, and contractors. Because of BIM, we are no longer limited by human borders. The BIM engineers work on projects worldwide. We use BIM as a future-proof solution to design and invent new ways to shape our surroundings and build the cities of the future.